Hello guys, welcome once again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. So in this video, I'll take you through how to change the state of a disk on your Windows 10, your Windows 11 PC from online to offline, and then also from offline to online. We will do this using a USB flash drive and then also an external HDD or hard disk drive. So we'll see how both of them work out in this particular tutorial. So we're going to do this using the computer management window and then also the Diskpart utility. So to begin with, I'll first insert the USB flash drive. So that is the USB flash drive. Autoplay opened the USB in Explorer automatically. So the next thing is to right click on this PC and select manage to open the computer management window. So that is the computer management window. The next thing is to click the disk management option, and you can see disk 0, which is the system disk where Windows operating system is installed. So that one we wouldn't touch, but the second disk, which is disk 1, is the USB disk I just inserted. So when you right click on the disk 0, you can see the option offline. So you can put that disk offline. But when I right click on the USB flash drive, the disk 1, there's no option to put the disk offline. And then the next thing I want to do is to type CMD in the search box, run the command prompt as an administrator, type Diskpart in the command prompt, and then when the Diskpart utility loads, you want to type list disk to list the available disks connected or in the computer. So again, you can see disk 0, disk 1 shown in the Diskpart utilities. Let's go ahead and then type select disk to select the disk 1. So type select disk 1. That's the command to select the disk in the Diskpart utility. And you can see disk 1 is now the selected disk. To put it offline, just type offline disk. And then again, you can see the operation is not supported on removable media. So guys, what this is basically trying to tell us is that putting the disk offline is not supported on USB flash drives. So now I'm going to eject the USB flash drive and then insert a USB external hard disk drive, or you can, if you have an SSD, you can also use an SSD. But in my case, I inserted the hard drive, the external hard drive. It's a 2 terabyte external hard drive. So once again, I will go to the computer management window again, click on the disk management option, and from here you can see the disk 1 showing the 2 terabytes disk I just connected. But this time when I right click on it, I can see the offline option. So you can actually select offline on this window if you want to put your disk offline. Again, to the command prompt, type Diskpart again, type list disks again, or list disk. We're going to again select disk 1. I need to mention that you need to be very careful so that you don't do anything with the disk 0. That is your system disk. So select this one. Disk 1 is now the selected disk. And this time when you type the offline disk and press enter, it should be able to put the disk offline. So in the computer management window, you can see a red arrow appear on the disk, which indicates that the disk is now offline. So to put it back online, just change the command to online disk, and then your disk should now successfully be online. You can see it open in Explorer. So basically, they putting a disk online and offline works with external hard disk drives and then external solid state drives. It doesn't work on USB flash drives, so you need to take notes of this. And as we saw in the video, you can either right click on the disk under disk management in the computer management window and then select offline or online, or you can use the Diskpart utility to do the same thing. So yes guys, kindly click the subscribe button down this video to support us to bring you more of such videos. Click the like button if this was helpful, share the video, turn on notifications for all, and then I will see you guys in another video. Thank you, bye for now.